Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its impressive combination of power, portability, and practicality. Equipped with a robust 500W motor, this folding e-bike offers seamless acceleration, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with ease. This capability is particularly beneficial for city commuting, where quick bursts of speed can help navigate traffic efficiently. One of the most significant advantages of this e-bike is its compact design. With a 16-inch frame, it folds easily for storage or transport, making it an ideal choice for urban dwellers or anyone with limited space. The lightweight construction ensures that carrying it on public transportation or stowing it in a car trunk is hassle-free. Despite its small size, the bike feels sturdy and reliable, thanks to quality materials and thoughtful engineering. The battery life is commendable, providing sufficient range for daily commutes or leisurely rides. Depending on the terrain and riding mode, the bike can cover distances that will satisfy most users. The included pedal assist feature allows cyclists to decide how much effort they want to exert, making longer journeys more manageable. Additionally, the dual braking system enhances safety, offering responsive stopping power even at higher speeds. Comfort is also a priority in the design, as the bike features an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars that accommodate various body types. The ride quality is smooth, aided by the front suspension that absorbs bumps and provides a more enjoyable experience on uneven surfaces. While the Isinwheel electric bike excels in many areas, it does have limitations, such as the smaller wheel size, which can affect stability at higher speeds. However, for everyday use in urban settings, this e-bike is a fantastic option. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike combines performance, comfort, and convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience.